YouTube, and today I'm going to do Flood Escape on, and I'm going to get my upgrade. Quick. Uh-oh. Alright, and the flood shard. Alright. And here we go. Use my... Where's my trophy? Oh. So easy. Ah. Me first one in. Danger. Why does it open? Why does it open if it's so dangerous? Okay, this is actually really hard, this one. They added 2 new maps to this, so it's really cool. And oh no. No. Oh no. No. What am I? You can't make it. I was trying to get on there. It was impossible anyway. Well, not me. Woo! Bing. Okay, let's try this one.
Oh yeah, come on.
Alright. Hurry up. Yay! Okay, this looks really easy, so yeah. No. Alright. And now what I have to do is I need to hurry up. Oh, I thought it would let me go through. Yay! And if I make it, it's end of video, because I can't do big videos, but yeah.
Leia, come on.
Alright. Oh. Alright. Thank you for doing all the hard work for me. It actually really pays off. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, phew. You get that for me, please. Thank you. I'm gonna be the first one.
Uh-oh. Leia.
Alright. I'll do the 3. I'm feeling it's this. Oh shoot. What if it's I put these down. Whee! And I hope you liked this video. See you guys. Bye.